Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Appst Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add pin on Pinterest account. Keep watching the video till the end. To add your pin on Pinterest, firstly go ahead and launch open your Pinterest application. The home page of Pinterest application will appear on the screen. Click on Create option at the bottom of the page. From the pop-up, tap on Pin option. Choose a picture from your gallery and tap on it. Enter your title, description, link for the picture you would like to pin, pick a word and tap on Create. This is how you can add pin on Pinterest quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.